For this next exercise, let's start out by going to the Format pull-down menu and click on Units. We're going to change the precision from 3 places to the right of the decimal point to 4. Once again, I'm going to go back to the Format pull-down menu. I'm going to click on Drawing Limits. You'll notice that our drawing limits have a lower left corner coordinate of 0, 0, and the coordinate for the right or the upper right hand corner I've set to 17, 11. Let's do a zoom all, and we'll start out by drawing a circle. I'm going to place the circle at an absolute coordinate of 2.25, 4 and press the Enter key. The diameter of that circle is going to be 1 inch, or it will have a radius of 0.5. I'm going to copy that circle, and I'm going to copy it at 6.62 inches in that positive X direction. This circle has a 1 inch diameter, but I really want it to have a 1.5 inch diameter. So I'm going to click on it and then right click. I'll click on Properties, and in the panel that opens up, I can page down through the list until I find diameter. I'll click on its value and type in 1.5 and press the Enter key. And as you can see, that diameter has changed. We'll go ahead and close that Properties panel. The next thing I'm going to do is draw another circle. I'm going to draw a circle from the center of the existing circle, and we'll give it a radius of 1. Let's draw another circle concentric to this one, and we're going to give it a radius of 1.75. The next thing I'm going to do is draw a series of circles. I'm going to draw a circle, but I'm going to draw it with a different kind of specification. I'm going to use the tangent radius. In other words, I want the circle to be tangent to one circle, tangent to another circle, and I want it to have a very specific radius. So I'll click on that command and tell AutoCAD that I want my circle to be tangent to this one, tangent to this one, and I want it to have a radius of 6 units. I'm going to erase that circle and perform that operation again. I want you to notice that when I specify the circle, I'm placing the cursor close to the point of tangency and close to the other point of tangency. Type in the value again. Now, if you select points that are over here or perhaps over here, the circle will be drawn in this direction. So let's use the trim tool. We'll make this circle and this circle a cutting edge and trim this. Let's draw another circle using the same specification. I want the circle to be tangent to this, and I want it to have a radius of 4.5. Once again, I'll use the trim tool. I'll make each of these two circles cutting edges, and we'll trim this part of the circle away. The next thing I'm going to do is use the offset tool. And I'm going to offset by 0.625 units this arc to here, and this arc over to here. Let's use the trim tool, and I'm going to make this arc and this arc a cutting edge. I might as well make this arc and this arc a cutting edge as well. So let's trim this. Oops, let's undo that. Apparently I had an incorrect specification, so let's try that again. Let's use that trim tool, and I'm going to make this a cutting edge and this a cutting edge. Let's trim this line, this one, and this one. Let's repeat that command, and I'll make each of these two arcs cutting edges. I'll also make this arc and this arc a cutting edge. Then I can trim this and this and this. The last thing that I want to do is use the fillet tool. The fillet tool will place a rounded corner at the intersection or at the vertex of two other objects. In my case, I want the radius to be 0.375. So I'm going to type R for radius and press the Enter key. I'll type 0.375 and press the Enter key again. I'm going to click on this arc and then this one. Let's repeat the command, and we'll place a fillet right here. We'll continue with that same operation for the remaining two vertices. We'll click on File pull-down menu. We'll click Save As, and I'm going to save this as Lever2.